Static pages don't sell. But motion? Motion guides attention, sparks emotion, and keeps users engaged. Welcome to Foxify tutorial by Foxicom. In this video, we'll show you how to add animations and interactions to your Shopify pages in Foxify, no code needed. Let's dive in. Foxify gives you 4 powerful animation types. Page load. Starts the moment your page loads. Entrance. Triggers when an element scrolls into view. Hover. Activates when someone hovers over an element, like a button or image. Click. Fires when an element is clicked, perfect for interactive feedback. Use animations not just for style, but for purpose. Highlight call to action buttons, guide users down the page, and make product details pop. To add an animation, select the element you want to animate. In the Inspector panel, open the Animations tab. Then, choose your animation type. Any element with animation will show a small lightning bolt icon in the Layers panel. This makes it easy to spot animated elements at a glance. Once you've picked an effect, you can adjust it to match your design. For page load and entrance animations, you can re-preview the result instantly in the editor by clicking the play button next to the animation name. This helps you fine-tune the effect without leaving the builder. Animations aren't just decoration. They can increase conversions when used strategically. And that's it. You've learned how to create animations and interactions in Foxify to make your Shopify pages more engaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips on designing pages that sell. Thanks for watching.